Hi, my name is Rachelescalera. Let's make some homemade hair cream.
So here's a quick look at the ingredients. First, we are going to make the flaxseed gel. We're going to start off with 2.5 cups of filtered water. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of flax seeds, whole flax seeds. We'll get this to boil now. And once it starts boiling, we will cook for an additional 10 minutes. This is what it'll look like after 5 minutes. Then another 5 minutes and you are done. This is the consistency you should get. Then we will set a timer for 40 minutes, let it cool down. After 40 minutes, you should get a consistency like this. Now it's time to separate the gel from the flax seeds. You can use a cheesecloth or a pantyhose to run it through, but just to make things a little bit easier for me, I just do this. Then I'll take out any seeds that fell in. This is the consistency that you'll end up with. Now we will need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of any type of honey you have in hand, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, and 3 capsules of vitamin E. I just kind of puncture the capsule a little bit to kind of make a hole in it and then squeeze out the oil from all 3. Now on low to medium heat, we will melt all of the ingredients. Get your whisk and whisk them up. Now we will add the flaxseed gel to the melted ingredients. Now, once your mixture has cooled down for about 20 minutes, you can add any one of your favorite essential oils. I like lavender and clove. This is optional. You don't need to add anything if you prefer not to. Now you can transfer over the gel / hair cream mixture into any container of your choice. I happen to just like this because it's easy to apply, but any container will do as long as you can store it in the refrigerator.
Okay, so now we're ready to apply some of the gel on our hair. So, take some. Then I take my diffuser and dry out my hair.
This should last you for about 2 to 3 weeks, depending on your hair texture and hair length. This is what it looks like on Ocean's hair. He has different texture than mine, so this is just an idea of what it might look like if you have similar texture.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below and let me know if you tried it and if you liked it. I hope you do. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Llámame, estoy aquí.